Today, I'll be sharing why hydroponic clivia often gets root tip rot and how to prevent and fix it. This is a cultivated plant. There are two common reasons clivia gets root rot. First, using a container that's too small. The root tips touch the bottom, and during movement, they can get damaged. They may also touch debris or dust at the bottom, which can lead to rotting. Second, in summer, using clear containers can be risky if the roots are long enough to touch the container walls, and the plant is exposed to strong sunlight. The heat can burn the roots through the glass or plastic, causing rot. When clivia roots are still young, small containers are ideal. But once roots grow longer than 5 centimeters, it's best to move them into a larger container to avoid those issues. Clivia is one of the few plants that is both very shade tolerant and suitable for hydroponics. It can grow well indoors under artificial light and can even go up to 3 months without a water change. Clivia dislikes strong direct sunlight. In summer, it must be kept out of the sun. I'll be posting a full tutorial on how to grow clivia hydroponically in the next week. If you're interested, start getting ready. The tutorial is here. Today, we'll look at 2 methods for hydroponic adaptation. Anything can grow in water. I'm Mr. Hydroponics. Method 1. Keep one root for support. Method 2. Remove all soil-grown roots. Let's begin with the step-by-step guide and purpose of Method 1. Soil-grown roots are fleshy and thick, but they don't adapt well to oxygen-water environments, so they need to be cut off. To encourage the plant to grow new roots suited for water, after trimming the roots, soak them in a 1/500 solution of fungicide like carbendazim for 10 minutes. Then keep the plant out of light for 24 hours to let the cuts heal. After that, you can go into water. The one route you keep acts as a support, so the base of the plant doesn't touch water and rot. Keep the plant base about 1 centimeter above the water level. For Method 2, cut off all soil-grown roots. If there are tiny root buds under 2 cm, you can keep those. For hydroponic clivia, you don't usually need to trim any leaves. If there are thin, yellowish leaves at the base, you can snap those off by hand. Clivia adapts to water differently from other plants. It actually does very well in small bottles or containers. This clivia didn't keep a support root, so to stop the base from touching water and rotting, we'll use sponge blocks to hold it up and maintain humidity. Make sure to keep it out of direct light. Let it sit for 24 hours to dry and heal before placing it in water. Change the water every 10 days or so. If you see any leftover rotted roots, rinse them off thoroughly. In about 3 weeks, you'll start seeing new water roots forming. Don't use any fertilizer during this stage. Once the roots are 3 to 5 centimeters long, you can move the plant into a larger container with a planting basket and begin adding nutrient solution. Hydroponic clivia is very tolerant of shade and grows perfectly well indoors with just some lighting.